wigs look one way on the mannequin heads, all fine and good, but I like to see it on somebody, their opinions. Is it thin? Was it easy to put on? That's what this video is about. So really quickly, before I just stop talking and just get into the style part of the video, I wanted to show you guys what the unit looks like before I put it on. So this is the unit here, and as you can see, I have already co-washed and detangled the unit, and the curls are starting to clump beautifully. I will leave all the information on the length and the texture and all the good stuff on the unit in the description box. Just make sure that you click show more to see all of that. The unit comes already parted like in a deep side part, so I am going to keep the deep side part because this is like a bob type situation. So I wanted to leave this part of the video actually in the video just because it gives me an opportunity just to give you guys a quick like mini review. I recently tried the Fenty foundation for the very first time. I know I'm late, but I just wanted to show you guys like how good it looks. Like Fenty foundation really be having my skin look like skin, not like a whole bunch of caked up makeup. And as you can see, it just like spreads and blends up really good for, you know, when you have that like hairline from tying down your edges. Of course, I tied down my edges with the lovely beads. All the info will be in the description box. And you guys know that underneath my wigs, I just like to do, you know, like 4 chunky twists or 4 chunky braids. And I wanted to make sure that I did show you guys that, of course, it has the 3 combs and then the adjustable straps at the bottom, as all Hergivenhair units have. And to put my wig on, of course, I'm going to be doing the old school method because it works best for me. It's really simple, and you know, I'm all about simplicity. I don't be really trying to do the extra. So I'll leave the full tutorial on like why I do this method and how I do it also in the description box. But I just wanted to show you guys like immediately when I put the unit on how blendable the lace is. One thing I will say about this lace is that it is a very sturdy lace. So this means it's going to be very durable. It's going to last you a long time. But sometimes when lace is like this sturdy, they can get a little uncomfortable. So this was a unit that I would say that I wanted to take off every night. You know, sometimes I sleep in my units, sometimes I don't. This wouldn't be one that I would want to sleep in just because I wouldn't want that lace rubbing against my hairline. It's just a personal preference. You know, everybody is different. So of course, the hair is so pretty wet. Oh my goodness, it was super gorgeous. And I just used a little bit of VO5 when I co-washed and I left it in, and that's all that it needed. I probably should have put some product with some hold in it. You guys will see why once we get to the end of the video. But the curls were really pretty. This is the Burmese curly, so if you guys like this particular curl pattern, that's what it is. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and blow it dry so you guys can see what the curl pattern looks like dry, just with a basic co-wash. Again, I feel like I personally should have used just like a light, you know, curl holding cream to help give those curls a little bit more definition, just because I thought it was going to like shrink up and curl up, get a little bit tighter as it dried, but the curls did stay true to form, which, you know, is a good thing. Like the curls didn't change. What you see is what you get. But because of that, I probably should have just scrunched in a little bit of hair gel, a little bit of curl cream, and I would have gotten an even curlier, more defined look for my final result. And this is what the final results look like. You can see, like I said, in the front, it still kept that wavy pattern. And if I wanted it to be a little bit more curly, I just could have scrunched it with like some curl cream. You guys know I like to wear my hair behind my ear. That's just me. I always am like that. I've been like that since high school. And I take a little clip, you know, for security, honey, in case we got to throw them hands. But the unit is super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this show and tell. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below so I can speak to you. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.